How to delete your TikTok account permanently. So go ahead and open the TikTok application. Once you're in the TikTok homepage, go to your profile tab. In here, hit on the three lines icon on the upper right corner of the page, and in this window, click on Settings and Privacy. Now on the very top, click on Account. The Activate button will be available on this page, so click on that. Now if you want to close your account temporarily, just choose the Deactivate. But since we want to delete our account permanently, then choose the second option, which is the Delete. After clicking on that, here is an option to download your TikTok data if ever you need it. So this is all up to you. Click on Continue, and here is the last page where all the actions that will happen to your account after the deletion will show. So just read this one and click on Continue. On the next step, verify your account, and after that, click on Delete Account. So that is how to delete your TikTok account permanently. Do let us know if this video helped you out, and if you have any question, feel free to drop them down below. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.